Hello, gentlemen. Feedback about 15-day session of decoding SSB and mentorship. Mysteries are left as it is until unless it is explored upon. SSB was one such mystery for me. I had always thought SSB is something which is out of box. I always felt that the individuals or candidates who clear SSBs have something within them, either that is talent or something which is special within them. But this mystery which I had in my mind started to fade away when I attended the session of SSB decoding and mentorship. I started to realize one thing, that is, hard work precedes talent. We can master any skill through proper hard work and planning. Yes, gentlemen, anyone can clear SSB if they put full hard work towards it and they try to learn and keep learning. Gentlemen, let me give my feedback on these 15-day sessions of SSB decoding and mentorship. Let me start by screening part. Screening part, I had always thought screening is sheer bit of luck. I had twice been screened out in my SSBs. So, after getting this screened out result, I always felt that luck was not my side. But after attending the session by the GTO regarding screening, I started to learn one thing, that is, our performance in OIR, Officer Intelligence Rating, is the one which speaks for our screening. And I cleared one thing in my mind, that is, if I practice hard on my OIR, I have good chance of getting screened in. Then comes, gentlemen, the psychology part. I had always felt that during my responses in TAT, when I see a picture, in the picture if something, any visible adversary is there, I always try to avoid that, thinking that if I go with the flow, I would give a negative story. But after attending the session, the psychology session by Lieutenant Commander Ilan Tamilman, I realized one thing. These slides are put out to seek some kind of responses from us. But me preferring to be positive, I had left out the option of giving the proper response that they had seeked from me. So this was a big learning for me. The TAT part, we have to go with the flow, but keeping all the 15 OLQs in mind, our responses should be as such that we are able to tick all the boxes that are required of us for that picture. Then comes, gentlemen, the GTO task. I always wondered why these 4 tasks: group planning exercise, group discussion, group obstacle race, and progressive group task. Why these 4 tasks are always kept first? I always wondered in the both SSBs which I have attended. The both SSBs which I have been screened in. I always thought why these 4 tasks are only kept ahead of all these tasks. But after attending the session by Lieutenant Commander Mufti Sir, I felt that these are the basic tasks on which, or it is the criteria by which we are categorized. Mufti Sir explained about segregating these 9 tasks into 3 stages: basic, confirmatory and final. So our performance in these 4 tasks in basic stage is the result of us getting noticed in the confirmatory and final stage. So once we perform well in this basic task, we will be notified or we will be noticed in the confirmatory and final stages of the GTO tasks, and eventually you would have a good chance of getting recommended by the GTO. Then comes, gentlemen, the interview part. I always had this one word that, sir, this one sentence that, sir, sorry sir, I don't know, I will learn about that. So if I give this same sentence repeatedly, so I would have to repeat my SSBs until I say my proper responses for the answers which I was asked for. So gentlemen, getting ourselves informed about the force that we are attending SSB is must to be in good position in giving an interview, and analyzing ourselves and practicing our own routine in proper manner will have us on a positive side to be giving our interview in a positive note. Then comes, gentlemen, the conference part. The conference session in our SSB decoding and mentorship lasted up to around 3 hours 30 minutes, but it was the most useful session that we had ever attended. We got to know about the marking or the allotment of marks for each offices and for the conference itself. It's 225 mark each, and the different grading system or different categorization of state away recommendation, and the candidates in doubt who would be called and questioned, and those questions are asked to seek something which the candidate lacks. So this A to A groups, SSB decoding and mentorship as a whole has shaped me a lot. I started to realize who I am and what do I need to do in order to perfect myself and to be in a good position of clearing my future SSBs also. Gentlemen, this is what my feedback about the sessions which we had attended for these 15 days and more. And Amaravians, we have within us the skills that are needed to clearly go and crack the SSBs, but we need some more corrections. That is what we need, and these corrections are being done in these sessions. So I think these sessions would be very helpful for the 12th standard students from our school also. So when they come for the Diwali vacation, session of this kind would help them in cracking their SSBs, because the entries in the NDA take so many candidates compared to other open entries. Chances of getting into defense is more before graduation rather than after graduation. So I think giving them a session of this kind in the Diwali break, because the Diwali break is quite long, it's around 20 to 22 days. So it will be very good for them, and they would gain more from that, and after Diwali they would maximum have their SSBs. So this would be helping them. And at the end, I want to thank Lieutenant Commander Nandamel Man for taking such an initiative to help us not only to decode SSB but to decode our own character and what we are, and also bringing in experts like GTO, Lieutenant Commander Mufti sir, whose part in our session played a huge role. Thank you, man, and I wish your efforts to be continuing and benefit not only 8 of us but also other cadets of our Sinai school. And here at this ending note, I want to make you a promise that as you wished, we will be coming to your home once, all 8 of us, but not in this civil code. We all will be in our uniforms. Thank you. Cheers.